What's up everyone, it's Ryan with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how these wide, chamfer edge Unisub sublimation plaques can be personalized into one special award with sublimation. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But for the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Now let's get started. Perhaps you felt that the borders of Unisub sublimation plaques are too thick for your preference. Fortunately, their next best choice is the black chamfer edge plaque that offers a sleeker look and is built much the same way as their main plaques. This goes as far as the plaque's MDF hardboard build, paired with a white gloss layer coated for sublimation. The robustness of these plaques should allow any special awards sublimated onto one to last as long as the item. To easily prepare the design for your plaque, we recommend using Unisub's templates available at heatpressnation.com, especially if you're using graphic design software. By loading it onto there, you can simply use the bleed layer as a clipping mask to import all of your design's elements to it. Then by setting the imprint and safety layers to 50% opacity, you'll have a better idea of how to scale and organize elements of your award design. Once you finish your design, hide the imprint and safety layers and you may print it through your sublimation printer. For Sawgrass printers, send it to Sawgrass Print Manager and use these settings. Substrate set to MDF board, paper set to your paper's profile, leave mirror checked, and set the color mode in the color tab to photographic or vivid depending on your design's level of detail. With all these set, go ahead and click print on SPM. Now our transfer is ready to be applied on a plaque. Before turning on your machine, you can test press your plaque to adjust pressure accordingly. Though if you're unable to press the plaque, even down to the machine's lowest pressure, you may remove its removable silicone pad with either parchment paper or a blank fabric like a t-shirt. Once you've found the right pressure setting, take the plaque out and turn on your heat press, setting it to around 80 to 90 seconds at 400 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. Once your machine reaches temperature, cover the lower platen with a sheet of parchment paper. Then add your sublimation transfer on the top facing upwards. Now you can bring your plaque above the printed transfer, removing any protective film beforehand and placing it above the printed image with a white gloss side down. Attach the plaque onto the transfer with strips of heat tape, then flip it with the paper side up. Cover it with another parchment paper sheet, then press. When your machine reaches time, open it and allow the transfer to cool down for a moment. Afterwards, quickly peel the transfer from the center and your personalized Unisub award plaque is now ready to be given out. To learn more about Unisub's sublimation plaques and other blanks, please feel free to visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to get in touch with a My Expert representative at heat.press/support. This has been Ryan with Heat Press Nation, and take care.